So I'm in need of a rest, so I thought I'd do a quick seedling update video. And most of my seedlings are on here, so I've got these celery, which are just kind of reserves really. We've got a lot of celery planted already. Let's just make a bit of space so we can see what's going on here. And then got my first batch of spinach, new season spinach. We've got the New Zealand spinach, which is growing really nicely, but this is going to go after the onions, and I'm probably going to be harvesting those onions next week, so that's looking pretty good. And then lettuces, so I always start my lettuces like this. These are just starting to come through, 100% germination there. And these are all the Asian greens, so tatsoi, kamatsuma, Colour and Crunch, Red Stem, Pak Choi and Joy Choi. So these don't seem to be minding all the rain. They're doing pretty well. And I've got another little batch here of lettuces. Again, these are looking pretty good. I'm doing a lot of lettuces now because they don't go to seed at this time of year. They're going to last a long time, be harvested over a long period of time. So it's nice to have, 12 different varieties make up really nice salad mixes. And I got my first of my new season turnips, and again they're looking pretty good. I'll be doing my first season radishes pretty soon. And then over there I've got little bulbils from the elephant garlic, and everything else is inside the polytunnel, so we'll have a look at that. So here we've got not germinated yet, but the red salad onions, North Holland Blood Red and Lilia. And here we've got Guardsman, two different varieties. We'll see which one germinates the best. Well, two different seed suppliers rather. And I've already planted out my early autumn salad onions. So these will be the ones for late on in autumn. And then these are the ones for mid-autumn. And then in the polytunnel, we've got the late tomatoes. I don't normally do that, but I'm just playing around basically. So I've got two in each pot, and these are Sunstripe, which are a sort of tumbling variety. So I'm going to be potting those up into reasonably big containers in, well, when I get round to it basically, any time now. And hopefully they're the ones we'll be eating in October once the polytunnel tomatoes and the outdoor tomatoes are all finished. Got a few little bits of chard, just spares, just to fill in any beds that open up later on in the year, and the same with the marathon again, just to fill in any space that opens up. Next batch of lettuces, and then this is the radicchio, a bit more radicchio in here, and the fennel. And I just did a germination test on my tough ball onions, and those actually, that was a seed packet from, I don't know, 2 years ago, and it germinated pretty well, so probably use those. And then these are the late chili peppers, just in case we want something to brighten up the windowsill over winter. And we've got a cabbage white butterfly on there. So I've just moved my little seed starting station into the polytunnel. Got my bag of seed compost down there. Got some little trays, so I'm all ready for September now, and it's going to be exciting. I'll be doing a video all about seeds for September and August pretty soon.